How to change language in Taobao app. Now, the very convenient way of doing this is by using your phone's web browser. If you wanted to change the language in Taobao app using these applications right here, then you must at least use a third-party translator from Google Play Store. So the most convenient way of doing this is use your browser. So we'll just pull up our Google Chrome right here and let's search for Taobao. Now scroll down a bit till you find the Taobao's official site, which is going to be this one. Now for you to be able to successfully translate the page or the language is just tap on the three dots at the top right portion of your screen and then go to translate. It is usually below find in page. So it is going to be set it as English automatically and then there's nothing that you need to do from here. So it will automatically be translated to English. So that's it. That's the most convenient way of changing language in Taobao.